I ran into this last week, as well fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to Mercado Pago is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Mercado Pago app. Launch the Mercado Pago app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once you're in the app, look for the payment methods option in the main menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Add a new card. In the payment methods section, select the option to add new card. You will be prompted to enter your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Save and confirm. After entering your card details, tap Save or Confirm. You should see a confirmation message if the card was added successfully. If you encounter an error, make sure your card is not expired and that you have entered the correct information. Happy transactions!